pouches located in both of its cheeks.
Butterfree. One week after Caterpie evolved into Metapod, it again evolved into Butterfree. Pidgey is a flying Pokemon. Among all the flying Pokemon, it is the gentlest and easiest to capture. A perfect target for the beginning Pokemon trainer to test his Pokemon's skills. Bulbasaur. It bears the seed of a plant on its back from birth. The seed slowly develops. Researchers are unsure whether to classify Bulbasaur as a plant or animal. Bulbasaur are extremely tough and very difficult to capture in the wild. The seed
Meowth, the scratch cat Pokemon. Meowth loves to roam at night to gather coins and other objects in Sparkle, and it spends most of the daylight hours sleeping.
Scyther and Electabuzz are both rare Pokemon. They are able to distinguish colors and become enraged by the color red. Unlike Pidgey, Spinnerel has a terrible attitude. It is very wild and will sometimes attack other Pokemon and humans.